Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TBC. Which of these transport oxygen to every cell of the body? Your right answer is RBC. Option B. Which ingredient makes bread fluffy? Your right answer is yeast. Option C. An isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of. Your right answer is goiter. Option B. Hammer, anvil and stirrup are bone found in which part of the body? Your right answer is the ear. Option D. The headquarters of Wildlife Institute of India is located at. Your right answer is Dehradun. Option C. What are homologous chromosome? Your right answer is autosomes. Option C. Which of the following is an example of sound absorbent material used to reduce revibration? Your right answer is compressed fiber board. Option B. Which of the following salt is used in the preparation of sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda? Your right answer is sodium chloride. Option A. Who was first woman Prime Minister of Great Britain? Your right answer is Margaret Thatcher. Option A. Dhanush missile is a naval version of dash missile. Your right answer is Prithvi. Option D. Ranjit got 2 times as many sums wrong as he got right. If he attempted 48 sums in all, how many did he solve correctly? Your right answer is 16. Option C. Birupsa Temple, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is dedicated to the deity. Your right answer is Lord Shiva. Option D. Which of the following games is played on a board divided into 64 black and white squares? Your right answer is chess. Option D. Who is considered as the father of Indian surgery? Your right answer is Sushruta. Option D. Which of the following decreases in moving from left to right along a period? Your right answer is atomic radius. Option B. At which of the following speed do bullets travel? Your right answer is supersonic. Option B. Which isotope was chosen as the standard reference for measuring atomic masses? Your right answer is carbon 12. Option D. What is the name of the longest bone found in the thigh of a human body? Your right answer is femur. Option A. Which of the following is a carnivorous plant? Your right answer is all of the option. Option A. Which of the following is the sound of single frequency? Your right answer is tone. Option C. With which of the following field is Munshi Premchand associated? Your right answer is literature. Option B. Which is the phase of the moon which is full bright view of the moon, where the moon almost perfect round in shape? Your right answer is full moon. Option C. Who among the following is not a cricketer? Your right answer is Sardar Singh. Option D. Who appointed the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Your right answer is President. Option D. Where in the body are blood cell produced? Your right answer is bone marrow. Option B. The foul smell of rancid butter is due to? Your right answer is butyric acid. Option A. Which of the following city was the capital of Gupta? Your right answer is Pataliputra. Option A. Double helical model of DNA molecule was proposed by? Your right answer is Watson and Crick. Option C. Who among the following was awarded with the Bharat Ratna in 2019? Your right answer is Pranab Mukherjee. Option C. Which of the following is an example of a triatomic molecule? Your right answer is ozone. Option B. Using brake pads in the brake system of bicycle and automobiles is for what purpose? Your right answer is to increase friction. Option C. Which of these state is bordered by Bhutan, China and Myanmar? Your right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Option C. Which organ of the human body is affected by glaucoma? Your right answer is eyes. Option A. The consistency of a given data can be determined from the value of dash. Your right answer is the standard deviation. Option D. What is the full form of FDI? Your right answer is Foreign Direct Investment. Option A. Which of the following is an ore of zinc? Your right answer is calamine. Option B. On what factors does the resistance of a conductor depend? Your right answer is all of the option. Option D. Which of the following properties changes with valency? Your right answer is equivalent weight. Option B. Astigmatism is a disease which affects? Your right answer is eyes. Option A. Who is considered as the father of biology? Your right answer is Aristotle. Option B. What is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction called? Your right answer is refractive index. Option A. Which of the following river is also known as the river of sorrow? Your right answer is Damodar. Option C. Mule is a hybrid derived by crossing. Your right answer is male donkey and a female horse. Option C. Earth Hour is organized by? Your right answer is World Wildlife Fund. Option D. What is the duration of the second 5-year plan? Your right answer is 1956 to 61. Option A. Bases are dash in test. Your right answer is bitter in test. Option D. Blue green algae contain? Your right answer is thylakoid membrane. Option B. Who is the first Indian weightlifter to win the world title twice? Your right answer is Karnam Malleswari. Option D. Why does a cork float in water while an iron nail sink? Your right answer is due to the difference in their density. Option A. Which of the following separation technique can be used to separate iron pin from sand? Your right answer is magnetic separation. Option D. Where was the Commonwealth Game 2018 held? Your right answer is Australia. Option D. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.